Today is Friday, July 27th, 2012. Last evening had a mixed close yesterday after economic data from the US pointed towards positive employment figures and weak new home sales data figures. Positive employment data means mild bearishness in bullions, and negative home sales data is negative for base metals and crude. That's exactly what happened. Silver hit a high of 53,600 and then closed at around the 53,250 mark. Gold on the MCX hit a high of 29,875 and closed around the 29,800 mark. All eyes are now going to be pointed towards the FOMC Fed meet to be held in the US on July 31st and 1st, that is coming Tuesday and Wednesday. Although as usual the markets are expecting positive announcements in terms of QE3 or stimulus package, we at Akshaya do not expect a direct stimulus to be announced straight away. The FOMC would prefer to meet till the September meet before making any announcements after they peruse the further data that come out in the month of August. Gold is now trading at $1612, hit a high of $1620, currently trading sideways with mild positive momentum above the 1600 mark at $1612. Resistance initially is at $1620, but positional resistance at $1640. Next major upside only on a break above $1640. The support is now at $1600 and $1590. Silver is now trading at $27.40. Resistance is at $27.7 and $28, and support is at $27 and $26.80. On the MCX exchange, silver has resistance at 53,600 and 53,800. A major breakout would be on a close above 53,800. Support is now seen at 52,900. Gold on the MCX has strong support now at $29,600 and resistance at 29,900 and likely to target 30,000. If it sustains above 29,600 on a weekly close, it could even test 30,000, 3,200, 3,400 in the days to come. INR closed above the $56 mark. Any sustenance above 56 will only support the bullions, and hence watch out for INR moves during the course of the day. Crude is now trading at $89.3. Weekly resistance is at 5050 on the MCX, and any major upside can be seen only if it closes above 5050. Support is now seen at 49.50 and 49.30. Currently closed on the MCX yesterday at 49.84. Expected to open sideways at the same levels on the MCX exchange. Watch out for INR open for the opening moves in MCX. Base metals turned weak last night after the home sales data turned out negative. It made some positive moves towards the evening till the data was released. Hit a high of 422.70, could not sustain above the resistance of 422.60 and gradually slid down to around the 418 mark, closed at around the 418.85. Next major weakness is on a break below 416. A break below 416 on a weekly basis would see major downfall with resistance above 421. Immediate support is now seen at 417. Resistance is at 422.80 on a closing basis and 424 above that. Nickel attempted to go higher, hit a high of 897 yesterday, but closed closer to supports yesterday at around 882 mark, and it remains weak. Positionally it remains weak so long as it sustains below 900. Positional stop loss will be 910 close, and immediate targets could be 870, 860 and 850 in the days to come. Zinc, lead and aluminium are trading sideways. Lead, major downside can be seen if it closes below the 103 mark with resistance or stop loss above 104.50 and could even target up to 102, 101 and 100 levels. Zinc has got strong support at 100.80, unable to move in any clear direction, closed at around the 101 to 101.10 mark, and it remains weak till around the 99 levels. Aluminium remains weak with resistance above 104.50 and could test lower sides of up to 101 levels in the days to come. Overall, base metal pack remain weak. Sell on rises seem to be the strategy. For bullions, buy at support seem to be the strategy, and crude oil sideways unless it breaks above 5050 would see major downside again. For further updates and commentaries, please visit our website at www.akshayaship.com. Have a safe trading day. Thank you.